Wagwan, my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I make my devil eggs. So here I have 4 eggs. So I'm gonna jump right into the intro, then we're gonna boil the egg. We're gonna start off and boiling the eggs down.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So now I'm boiling the eggs down, and I'm gonna boil them for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, I'm gonna take them out and cool them down in some ice water. So after 12 minutes, my egg they finished to boil. So now I'm going to cool them down in some ice water. So now I put them in ice water to cool down real quickly. When they cool down, I'm gonna break them, and then I'm gonna start with all my ingredients. This is some sriracha sauce. I have some mayo, and I'm gonna use some avocado. On the top, I'm gonna use some pico guayo for garnish. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the eggs. So now I'm peeling the eggs. After peel them, I'm gonna take them out the water and dry them off with some paper towel. So now I'm gonna start my devil eggs. So here, I'm gonna use some mayo. There's only 3 eggs, so I just need to use 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'm going to use this much of avocado. Not too much, it's only 3 eggs. Now I'm going to cut the eggs. I'm going to take out the yolk. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. Thanksgiving is coming up. You are gonna love this recipe. So and it's good to cool down your eggs in cold water. Put some ice in the water. So it cool down really fast. You don't have to wait a long time for it to cool down. Or you could even boil the eggs from overnight and put them in the fridge. It's good. So now I'm gonna add some sriracha. Just like that. And you know, eggs always have a little rawness to them, so I'm gonna use some lemon pepper season. Lemon pepper season. Not too much, I don't wanna spoil the flavor. So now you're gonna mash. You're gonna mix them together. And you get a good flavor from the lemon pepper season. So if you never tried it before, you should try it with the lemon pepper season. So you don't have to add no cayenne pepper in it because it's already spicy. So now I'm gonna get a bag. So now this is the finishing touch. Just gonna squeeze everything inside the egg. Not too much. These eggs is very small, so. But I'm telling you, go and try this recipe and use the lemon pepper season with the sriracha and the mayo. Yeah, you're gonna love this recipe. Okay. Now I'm gonna garnish with the pico guaya. And this really nice. Okay, that is it. So guys, this is the finishing touch. So go ahead and try this recipe. Thanksgiving is coming up. So go ahead and check out my recipe. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.